going to take a look at the Blackmagic Duplicator 4K next. This is actually a very interesting product because I've never thought of this, and I've always said, well, I want to watch the presentation after the fact, but I never got a chance to do that. This product will give people something to take home and watch as well. So tell us a little bit about it.
Okay, so this is really intended for people attending a live event, whether it's a football game, high school football game, a wedding, church ceremony, corporate event, that type of thing. It's all live. You can record in here to 25 SD cards individually, and then you can also daisy chain all of these units together, so you could do more than 25 at once if you'd like to, depending on what you're doing. It records to SD card, and it's going to do an H.265 recording. But
that will play on anybody's computer, right?
Yeah, you can pop it into a computer through just an SD card slot, or you can hook it up to a reader and go to an Ultra HD television, because this can record SD, HD, and Ultra HD.
Does it record live as you go, or is this something post, once you're done with the video, you pop it in there and go?
No, it's really intended to be a live broadcast, and whether you're coming through a switcher, it's going to be live. You could record it on something like our HyperDeck to an SSD, and then plug that back in and treat it as a live source, and then do your duplications that way.
Okay.
So there's a way to do that, yeah. There is a nice append button on there for the recording, so you can hit that, and it'll actually stop it there. And then if you have another setup, let's say you're doing a wedding ceremony, you do the ceremony in the beginning and you want to set up for the reception later, then you hit that pen button and it'll start recording, and you don't have any of the break in between, or a football game halftime, that type of thing.
What type of SD cards are we talking? Can we do low end, or do we have to have like class 10 cards, or what?
It's, from what I understand, it's the UHS 2 cards that you can use on these right now, yeah. And I'm sure more will be tested and come out as the product comes out. It is shipping right now. It's $19.95. Yeah.
$2,000 for the ability to give something instantaneous to a wedding goer, to a conference goer, to even something like this, concerts and whatever. So that's awesome. Where do people go for more information?
Blackmagicdesign.com.
Blackmagicdesign.com. We got a lot more video. We're going to, because there's some more stuff we're going to go. So stay tuned. Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine. Geek out.